Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Zarchiver and giving it storage permission so the app can read and write files. Once done, navigate to the source folder and long press an item to enter multi-select mode. You can tap additional files or folders. Make sure to preview compressed archives or documents so you transfer exactly what you need. You're doing this to avoid copying temp or hidden files, which saves space and time when you compress or move items later. Next, decide whether to compress or move files directly. If you compress, tap Menu then Compress, choose format like zip or 7Z, pick compression level and optional password. This reduces size for sharing. Alternatively, use Cut or Copy to transfer without changing content. Navigate to the destination folder and paste. Make sure to split archives into volumes if targeting limited-size media. This prevents failures and makes transfers predictable. Finish by verifying the files at the destination. Open a sample file or compare sizes so you know the transfer succeeded. Once done, delete any temporary archives if no longer needed. If something goes wrong, an error during paste or extract, check permissions, available storage, and whether the archive is corrupted. Retry with a lower compression level or recreate the archive. Make sure to extract using Zarchivers, extract here, or move function to correct any misplaced items and restore original.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.